Alright, what's up, guys? My name's David. So, my two goods are watches and books. So, first I have AJ at 1 hour. He can produce 5 watches in 1 hour and 8 books. And in 10 hours, he can produce 50 watches and 80 books. We have a production possibility frontier, so our black line is going to be our normal production, and our red line is going to be for technological advances. So point A and C are going to be our feasible points. It's not the best, but we can manage. Point B is going to be our efficient point. So that's the absolute best production we can get. Point D is going to be inefficient. They're just not, AJ is not producing to the best, and he's not getting his money's worth. And point E is infeasible. That's the top point up here and up here. At first it was D, but now it's E because I changed it. So yeah, that's going to be infeasible. That means he cannot produce that amount of books and watches. It's just going to be too much for him. And we have that on a 1 hour and 10 hour frontier here. So on the other hand, we have Al. Al also produces books and watches, but he kind of more specializes in watches. He can produce 8 watches in an hour and 4 books. But that's only 3 more watches than AJ, and only half the amount of books. So AJ is a little bit more productive. But then again, we have our point A and C, which are feasible, point B efficient, point D inefficient, and point E infeasible. So our absolute advantage is going to go to AJ, and our comparative advantage is going to go to Al in the watches. So as far as what they specialize in, AJ is going to specialize in our books. So if we can get AJ on the books, we're going to make him make books. And Al, of course, he's going to specialize in our watches. But ideally, by the graph I made, AJ can just do both. He can produce 7 books and 2 watches in a 1 hour span. So AJ is just on top of things, and Al is not. But yeah, guys, there's my production possibility frontier. Thanks.